What I have for you today is an example of buying a fast-growing tree in the mail. And these are sold by a company called fastgrowingtrees.com. You can see on the side of this box. And in my case, this is how that tree came delivered. It's about a 6-foot tall box with a tree that was about 5 feet tall inside it. And now I've already taken them out and buried those 4 trees that I bought into the ground there. And what these are fast-growing Italian cypress. These should shoot up the side of that building and be about 15 to 20 feet tall when they're done. But I want to show you how it works when you order from this company. You get it in this large box. They're shipped by FedEx. And then inside the box, you're going to find your shipping label and your instructions and some marketing materials. But most importantly, inside the box, you'll have that standard plastic, it looks like about a 3-gallon, maybe 2-gallon bucket that holds the tree, and it'll be wrapped in plastic like this with tie wraps around it that hold it in place so that none of the dirt will come out of the package while it's being shipped. Just a small amount leaked out, but really hardly anything. Like I said, they use some pretty large tie wraps to secure the base of the tree, and that's put into the base of the box there. And then throughout the middle of the box, you're going to have these spacers like this that keep the tree centered inside the box, as well as one here. And then the tree came also with a stake that was connected into the base soil and ran all the way up, and the tree was attached to that base. So let's go over here and check out what these trees look like after they've been just taken right out of the box and put right in the ground. So here we are, we've got our Italian cypress in the ground, and like I said, these are about 5 feet tall, and they have a stake that runs all the way through. It's a piece of bamboo that gives some strength, and it's tied off in a couple places so that the tree will follow up that direction and stay straight. These were planted in the ground. I just dug a hole that was about twice as big as the base that was provided, and then set it down into the base level and then covered it back up. And so far, these are doing fine. These have been here for about 2 weeks now. And the growth that we're expecting to happen over the next few years will be just straight up and not very far out, because these are Italian cypress, and they should be, these are the tall and skinny trees that go to quite a high altitude when they're ready and mature. But yeah, I feel like these trees were much more expensive not ordering them online. I looked at several nurseries, but this is a very healthy tree. Didn't have any dead leaves on it, really. It came shipped by FedEx with a 2-day ground, I should say. So they were here quickly, and plenty of moisture in the base of the tree when it was shipped. So they didn't come in any sense that they were dry or anything. And they've all been fine. Now, this one had just a little bit of an unusual kink in it at the top. I think maybe that could have been from the shipping, but I'm not sure. It just might have been the way that this tree was starting to grow. But hopefully that'll straighten out as it comes upward. But yeah, you're going to get a tree that's already had some time to grow and to get started, and now it's ready to just take off on your property. And you don't got to start, from the very, very bottom with a very low-cost tree there. You get something in the middle between buying a mature tree and buying something that could take years to give you anything. So very, very happy with the purchase so far. We'll see how these do over the next few months, but I'm confident that they're going to do well. And the vendor, they do offer some warranties. You do have to buy those. I really was going to take my chances. These trees were not super expensive. I mean, I got all 4 of them for the cost would have been less than 1 from my local nursery for a tree that was larger, but really not much incredibly larger. So, hey, I hope this video was helpful. And as always, I hope you have a great day.